Hello, we are back. So I feel like I haven't done a video like this yet where I have my backdrop here. So we are going to be painting a 3D print. As you can see back here, these are a lot of 3D prints I've done. Like I've done this, you actually probably can't see this from here, but I'll show you guys some later. Anyway, I've got Nezuko, I've got like, I love to 3D print anime for some reason, I don't know why, it's just an obsession. But then I also have some castles that I 3D printed and some Minecraft dioramas, and yeah, more anime. Anyway, because I like 3D printing anime so much, I thought I might as well make a tutorial on me, well not a tutorial, but like a collage of me painting it. I guess it's sort of a tutorial, like I could show you how. And yeah, but no sir. Yeah, that's my cat. This is smudgy. Anyway, I thought I should film me painting one of the figurines just to have some more fun. And yeah, I just finished printing, it's just behind the camera. Anyway, let's get into the video and not make this too long. Oh yeah, before we start, make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, I will show you the print. Here it is. I turned it off because it finished printing a while ago. But I didn't want it to be on forever. Anyway, so actually no, we don't need to turn that on. I don't know why I want to. Anyway. Oh, whoops. Okay, excuse me. We'll take you out. Okay, so this is from a anime series called, sorry, I'm tripping now. What's it called? I think it's One Piece, that's it. Anyway, it's a really famous series, I guess, on anime. If you're an anime fan, you probably know what it is. Anyway, I printed out Luffy, that figure that stretches like rubber. So, yeah. So I'm basically just going to be taking this off from the thing, the board. That's what I'm trying to say. I cannot talk. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing here. First, to do that, I'm just going to snap it off. Oh, that sounded so satisfying. Okay, still stuck a bit. Come on. Off. There. I was speaking to my dog. Okay. Now I'm going to dispose of you. Now, I will dispose of the stands. Yeah, I know, these stands are not part of it. The okey-dokes. So, we are going to deal with them now. Gone. Oh, that is satisfying. Look at that in there. It's like, I don't know. It looks so satisfying. I haven't made that many videos. Oh, by the way, there might be a lot of headshots. Anyway, I don't really make that much YouTube videos. I'm going to try to get into it. Well, I mean, I do film other videos for other channels, of course. But when it comes to this channel, I don't actually post that much because I'm busy with a lot of other things. I'm going to try to make this a bit more active and regular. But I'll just have to see because I always promise that and then I break my promise. But, I mean, I'm not going to post, well, I mean, of course, I'll post as much as I can, but I do have to keep track with other things, so if you're wondering why I don't post that much, that is one of the reasons. Right now, this guy is, after a fair bit of struggle, I did manage to get off the stands. It's pretty rough there. I think it will blend in, though, when I paint it. It won't look too bad, I would presume. Anyway, I think now is about the time to get painting. So let's get to it. Alright. Got some brushes. Here is my acrylic paint. Well, me and my mom share it. Okay, I think the recording may have stopped before I finish. Anyway, it is done. I may do a little bit more on it later on, but I think I'm happy with it for now. Anyway, yeah, we'll just move on to the final results, I guess. Alright.